There are two ways to create a database. 1. Using system to create database. 2. Using SQL script to create database. Let's start with the using system database creation. Right-click selecting databases. Select the New Database. Then enter the database name that you want to create. I am using sample DB1. Log file in database MDF file location can found clicking General tab. Right-click Database to Properties to Files. Log file in MDF file you can find the file location. Second method to create a database. You can use the Create Database script to create databases.